Welcome to TNC FlipBook. In this video I am going to talk about the global settings of TNC FlipBook PDF Viewer for WordPress. So when you first come to Global Settings, you will see the Welcome tab first. On this page you will get some quick details that you may need. At first you can see available features in TNC FlipBook PDF Viewer for WordPress, like Flipbook Mode, different scrolling mode, global settings, and many more. After that you will find an installation video, and this video will demonstrate how to use PDF WordPress. Also, there is a demo documentation video. After that you will find some useful links like plugin documentation, live demo, support portal, etc. After that also you will see all the latest blog updates from Theme Encode. And then in the later part you can sign up for Theme Encode newsletter, which is quite good, and you can get a lot of information about WordPress from this newsletter. So now let's come to the Automatic Display tab. You can set options here to have all of your current .pdf links to either open or embed as a flipbook. If you want to convert all current .pdf links to open as a flipbook, select any of the options. All links ending in .pdf will be replaced with embedded flipbook automatically. Also you can select automatic iframe width and automatic iframe height from this tab. In the general there are some common settings related to the flipbook. Set all the options accordingly. You can upload your logo here. Just click on Upload, select your logo, and will be uploaded, and click Save. What this will do, it will show your logo in the viewer page. You can see my logo is shown here. Then you can upload your favicon, and your favicon will be shown on your viewer page. As well, now the third option is Full Screen Link Test. Only applicable for iframe shortcode, the link that appears just above iframe. Full Screen Link Test is shown where the iframe shortcode is used. Then the Return to Link text here. You can put this text, which will be shown in the full screen mode PDF viewer page. Return to Site link that appears on the bottom right corner of the flipbook in full screen mode. Now you can put Google Analytics ID, which looks like this here, to see the performance of your viewer page. After that you will see height of iframe on smaller screens. You can select mobile iframe height under 800px screen size. After that you can also select iframe responsive fix. Then the Appearance tab. In the Appearance tab you can disable or enable flip sound. After that you can see the theme and custom color. There are 5 predefined themes that comes with PDF Viewer for WordPress: Aqua White, Material Blue, Midnight Cam, Smart Red, and Lewis Purple. You can choose any one from there. After that you can turn the background image on or off. Then you can choose your icon size from here. You can make the icon size small, medium, or large as per your need. After that you can select or change your toolbar style. Now let's talk about toolbar settings. Options in this section only applies to automatic link and iframe options. First is the default scroll. You can select vertical scrolling, horizontal scrolling, wrap scrolling in viewer mode. Covered mode only works with the page fit zoom setting. The zoom setting can be controlled when inserting shortcodes using the TNC FlipBook. Default spread. In viewer mode you can flip your pages like an odd spread, zone spread, or no spread. After that you can select your flipbook language from here. You can also find page mood from here. You can place your page as a bookmark, thumbnail, or attachment. Now let's talk about the visibility of toolbar elements. There is a global default setting, but you can turn any setting on or off according to your vision. You can control easily all of these options like share, print, download, open, zoom, full screen, logo, find, page navigation, current view, rotate, hand tool, document, properties, left toggle menu, right toggle menu, scroll options, spread options. Now come to the advanced mode. Only change the first 2 settings if you know what you're doing or is suggested by Theme Encode support. This pages should be set to the auto-created page, and only change if you see wrong page selected here. Otherwise keep it as it is. You can enable or disable the context menu or right-click on Flipbook from here. Also you can enable or disable the text copying keyboard shortcut from here. You can also integrate Oxygen Builder from here. Now let's talk about custom CSS and JS. The custom CSS and JavaScript code you put below will be executed on flipbooks only. In the custom CSS or JS you can put any kind of custom CSS or JS if you want. Or you can keep it as it is. The next option is export or import. You can export all global settings and even backup and import them whenever you need from this tab. Backup all global settings and import if needed. You can download the current settings. So that's all for today. Hope everyone likes it. Subscribe to our official YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.